Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the armrest. Mine's is cracked, and a good friend of mine, Jesse, was able to find me one and ship it over to me. So I got a new one here, but it's not really new, but still, it's an improvement over the cracked one that's right here. So all you're gonna need is a Phillips head. So you got 2 screws at the top and 4 at the bottom. This is specifically for the Yaris sedan models, Vios, Belta. I'm not 100% sure the hatchback models is the same layout as this. So if you got a Yaris other than the sedan or saloon, look at the bottom, see if it's the same. So what you want to do? Well, let's start at the bottom. Take out the 4 screws at the bottom that hold the hinges. You may not have to take out the top too. I'll see you in a sec. So, go need some. Yeah. Alright, so you ain't gonna have to take out the top. So it pretty much slides out like that. And it got retainer clips on the side, as you can see. So this one I already got ready. So what you're gonna do, lift it up and slide it through. Crap. Then close back up. Alright. What you gonna do? Slide it over. And then close it. And then you want to make sure the hose line up. I'm going to do mine somewhat like a cross. That way it closes evenly, and also everything's guaranteed to line up. No, this one's... Alright, I got it. And that's it. This one I took out the top 2 screws. But that's pretty much how you able to swap just the armrest. But in the future video, I have a lot of interior videos. I'll be pretty much replacing all my interior with brand new parts. So see, a whole lot better. I just gotta clean it up. And then this old dingy one that's cracked. But that's it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.